Hello YouTubers, today I'm going to show you how to install Mac OS X on your Dell Latitude. You're going to need an 8GB and a 4GB or whatever. The second one has to fit your file on there, but you're going to need a Mac or like a Hackintosh that's running it. And you can find other videos because I don't want to make a Snow Leopard video because it's too gay, because I don't like using Snow Leopard as much. And you're going to go into your files, you're going to run the MyHack. I don't have the file, but just to show you, just type in my password. No, you're not going to run MyFix. You're going to go to create an OS X installer, and then you're going to go down to 7. You can create one for 6 if you want, but you're going to have to, I'll provide 7 for you guys. And just click OK and you're good there, but I'm not going to do it. And after that, you're going to open it up again when it's successfully put it on your flash drive, and you're going to do it again, not to install this time. You're going to install extras. So you go on to extras, and install extras right there, and then click OK, and you'll say, do you want to choose your own? And you're going to go like this, just say that, and you're going to choose use my own, so like that, and then you're done. But right here's your extras, so I provide that. But I will find the line version, not the updated version, because I tried the 10.7.4 and it didn't work. And here's the laptop I'm going to be installing it on. So you're going to need your 8GB and put it in there, turn it on, should just load up. And you're also going to need to do this for our sleep enabler, which I'll show you after updates and that. And you're going to click this. But you guys are going to go to press F12 and select the USB. I don't really have to, and it's going to come up with this crazy thing going on. And it's just loading it up. And it's loaded up. Alright. Yeah. Come on, you. Yeah, it might take a while to load up the screen here. Okay. Go to that. And should say that. Go to disk utility, go to that. Utilities, disk utility. And for the heck of this video, I'm gonna just show you how to do that partition. You're gonna go to partition 1, and you're gonna go to type in Macintosh HD. That's all you need to do. I already have it on here because I first had it on here, but for the sake of this video, I'm gonna just do this. So this is erasing, and go to continue, click agree, and go to that. You don't need to do nothing here because there's nothing in here. See? There's nothing, so just let it do its thing. If my hand starts shaking, it's because I'm not getting good grip on this. Sitting in a weird position. Yeah, this might take a long time, so I might have to make a part 2. It's even going to be longer after when I install it, because of it's running slow because of my CPU. You just gotta get that installed for the driver of it. So 17 minutes. And as you can see there, it says Dell Latitude D620. And I took off the XP sticker. You can run Mac and Windows 7 on it anyways. There's the Wi-Fi mode. Flash card's doing its thing. Yeah, this is gonna be a while. I have to stop it at 15 minutes because that's only the maximum of recording. So, still got time on the clock. So 16 minutes. Still going. Still installing it. Yeah, it seems boring to watch it install. But I'm just showing you guys the true install, how long it would take, the error and trial, if there's going to be a KP after this, or if there's going to be a failed. But actually, there's no fail, but just in case something, if you did something wrong. But I'll make another video after when I've downloaded the Mac OS X Lion and show you what to do there so you don't mess up or something, just to guide you through it. But this is for Dell D620s though, or 30. It has to be a D6, but I think it has to be 20 or above. I don't think a D10 will work. Well, I meant a D610. And what is it doing? Oh. So 13 minutes. I might have to stop the video at 14 minutes and make a part 2, because this is going to take forever. So this is 11 minutes. Holy shit. Excuse my language. If any little people that are not older than I am, then yeah. But who cares? It's just video. It does take this long. I can't believe it just takes this long just to load, to install it. Lucky for you guys can skip over this part and just get on with it. I'm just stuck here watching it. Dang. It says 10 minutes on the freaking thing right there. It says 9 minutes. 9 minutes already. I think this is gonna be almost part 2 though.